Alright, this will be the elevator here in one of the villas buildings at the DoubleTree Resort SeaWorld here in Orlando. Looks like we got some former generals, but they were modded by Thyssenkrupp. Ah, nice, and they reused the original lantern. Cool. Cab's obviously totally redone. Alright, let's go up to 3. Very smooth. Reasonably quick for a hydro, but that level, it took forever to level. Let's ring it. Oh, and now we're getting this one. Very tastefully done. I love how they kept that lantern original. Kinda reminds me of what they did at the Elmwood garage. 1. Pretty nice cab. It looks so up to date compared to the tower elevators. Alright, let's give it another spin. It doesn't want to ding again. Oh well. Alright. Still not dinging. Alright. We'll just end back down at 1. Here we are on 1. Button goes out. And we'll get off here. And, well, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.